Hey, it's Dr. Park, dermatologist, and I came across this article in the New York Times that said, why did my dermatologist ask me for a tip? This patient said, I spent a few $1,000s on cosmetic medical treatments, Botox and fillers at a spa. This was performed by the dermatologist who owns the facility. She was a little bit out of it, maybe because she was a little bit nervous or because of the numbing. And then when she went to go pay, she noticed that you could select a tip percentage between 15 and 30%. This really blew my mind because I, as a doctor, have never ever heard of a doctor having an option to ask for tips before. Whether it's cosmetic, whether it's surgical, whether it's a medical treatment, just never across the board. I will say that I did come across this one time before, and it was at a medispas that we were filming at, actually. I was filming a commercial there, and I saw that all of the injectors of Botox and fillers at this medispas, they had their little business cards at the checkout counter with a QR code that led to their Venmo for you to give them tips. Now, as this patient slash writer person wrote, they said that, we tip for coffee shops and retail establishments, but she feels like it's a clear violation of medical ethics for doctors to ask for tips. I don't know how you all feel about it, and I do really want to know, so please tell me in the comments. But I personally feel like tipping at a doctor's office is not okay and should not be allowed, and here's why. The idea of tipping someone is to reward them or thank them or give them some extra incentive to give you good service by giving them extra money. It's like a bonus. But for people in the medical establishment, I think we should always deliver the highest standard of care and give everyone this highest standard of care and not be incentivized by something like tipping. And it doesn't matter whether we are being paid by insurance or if we're being paid by the patient out of pocket. I think across the board, we should eliminate that financial incentive to give better customer service to people because of a tip. It just doesn't make sense to me. But I'd love to hear what you think. So, do you think that you should be allowed to tip at a doctor's office? Sound off in the comments.